In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Mother's Day and Father's Day fast and easy. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to effectively utilize Google Trends to prepare for these special occasions, you're in the right place. Google Trends is a free tool that provides invaluable insights into what people are searching for, making it a fantastic resource for planning marketing strategies, blog content, or even selecting gifts. To begin, open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once you've done that, click on the first link you see. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Here, you'll find an option labeled Explore. Click on this to start delving into the vast array of trending topics and insights that Google Trends provides. Now comes the brainstorming phase. Think about all the keywords people might search for during Mother's and Father's Day. What kind of gifts are they looking for? Some typical search terms might include Mother's Day gifts, Mother's Day flowers, Father's Day gifts, and Father's Day cards. This is also a good time to think creatively about other related terms such as best gifts for mom or best gifts for dad. Jot down a comprehensive list. This step is crucial and serves as the foundation for further analysis. Armed with your list of keywords, navigate back to the Google Trends main page. Enter one of your selected keywords into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll be presented with the Interest Over Time chart. This is where Google Trends shines, allowing you to see exactly when interest begins to rise and reaches its peak. Such information can help you time your campaigns or product launches for maximum impact. To gain even clearer insights, you can adjust the filters located at the top of the page. Here, you can specify your location to either target a specific country or take a global view. Additionally, you can set the time frame to evaluate trends over the past 12 months for current insights or the past 5 years for a broader perspective. This filtering ensures that the data you're analyzing is relevant to your specific goals. Scrolling down, you'll encounter Related Topics and Related Queries. These sections reveal other trending categories and rising search queries like last-minute Mother's Day gifts or Father's Day DIY gifts. These insights can serve as great content ideas, promotional themes, or ad campaigns, allowing you to cater to emerging market demands. Lastly, should you wish to compare interest between multiple keywords, use the Plus Compare feature. Insert additional terms to see which categories are drawing more attention. This comparison can assist you in identifying the best opportunities for product promotion or content creation. After analyzing all this data, take a moment to absorb what you've gathered. This information is a powerful tool in your planning arsenal as you prepare for Mother's and Father's Day, ensuring you're aligned with what's trending and what people are interested in. By leveraging Google Trends, you ensure that your preparations are data-driven and timely, giving you a decisive edge in catering to your audience.